This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Vikingbags Softail swing arm bag. Follow these steps to properly secure your bags, and you'll be ready to ride. Your new swing arm bag includes everything you need to install it quickly and easily without additional tools. Your Softail swing arm bag kit includes the Viking swing arm bag, 3 mounting straps. Loop the strap over and around the rear of the lower swing arm and insert it back through the bottom slot of the lower mounting point. Repeat step 1 for the remaining 2 mounting points. Tighten all 3 straps one by one until your bag is secure. Your new swing arm bag is now mounted, and you're ready to ride.